bike security. It is pointless and dangerous to use a disc lock. First of all, it's guaranteed you will forget it's on there at least once. This will damage your disc. This will damage your calipers. Your best bet is to go and get yourself a nice cheap cable from a DIY shop. 10 quid will get you a 3-meter cable. That is a pain in the ass to cut through. Put it through the bike somewhere, not through the wheel. Wheels can come off easily. It takes one spanner to take the wheel off. Put it through the frame. Put it through your forks. Even through here. Or part of your bike that's not attached by a nut. So you can put it through here. It takes 2 to take it off. You're delaying people from nicking stuff, not stopping them. Put it through here, put it through your frame, up it around a tree or a post. Fucking spiders, get off, you bastard. Would have been parked 3 hours. So your best bet is just to attach it somewhere that's going to make it obvious that someone's trying to nick it. If you're going to park up, park close to where you live. For example, that's my bedroom, that's my bike. If you think that just because you don't have a parking space you can't park it, I just ride through my gate. I park it outside the front of the house. If you're going to park somewhere else, like in town, park somewhere really, really obvious. Don't go into back alleys, don't go into main car parks. That is just where people tour around looking for stuff to nick. If you're going to park somewhere, park in a bicycle parking area. They always have a place where you can attach a lock to a fixed feature like a railing. Park in front of shops. Parking in front of banks is really good. Lots and lots of security cameras. Park on pavements. You won't get nicked, you won't get a ticket. No one gives a shit. As long as you're not blocking the footpath, you can park pretty much where you like. I've never paid for parking except for a charity event.